The state's burden in this matter is to prove more than likely that a crime was committed and more than likely the defendants committed the crime.
Prominent local defense attorney Ahmad Assad says that's the purpose of the preliminary hearing. It's where now retired police officer Keith Sandy and Albuquerque police officer Dominic Perez will find out if Judge Hadfield believes there's probable cause they committed murder in the shooting death of James Boyd.
Relatively speaking, it's a much lower standard to find probable cause and proceed thereafter at a trial, where the state is obligated to meet a much larger standard, which is guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
If Judge Hadfield finds probable cause, the case will move forward. Assad says a preliminary hearing will be similar to a mini trial.
You have evidence that's going to be presented by way of witnesses. The defense counsel is going to be able to present witnesses and cross-examine witnesses.
The two cop cases are joined together, but the defendants have the option of asking to separate them. Assad says a preliminary hearing could have several outcomes.
Either a judge finds no probable cause as it relates to both defendants, or the judge could find probable cause as it relates to both, or could find probable cause for one of the defendants and not the other.
Assad believes the audio recording and lapel camera video of this shooting will play pivotal roles in this preliminary hearing. But perhaps even more important,
I think ultimately it's going to depend upon whether these two defendants decide to testify at this probable cause hearing. We'll be able to hear from them firsthand what they thought at the time and what they did and explain those particular actions.
Unlike a grand jury, this preliminary hearing will be open to the public.